Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the paper portion of your journal. This type of journal has two parts, an outer cover and replaceable bound pages. It's a great feature because you can use the same beautiful cover for years and years, just replacing the pages when you fill them. There are also different types of pages, such as dots or blank pages, that you can put into your journal to customize it for your needs. Let's look at how the journal is put together. The page portion has a cardboard flap on either side. This piece is inserted into a flap on the side of the cover. It's slick, it holds your pages well, and it allows you to open your journal flat without damaging the binding. When you replace your journal, the main thing you want to keep in mind is not to damage the cover and not to damage the pages. As I have practiced replacing the different pages, I've noticed that sometimes the covers are easy to remove and sometimes they're difficult, so go slowly. Having a tool such as a ruler or a piece of cardboard can help you loosen the glue that might be on there from the manufacturer. All right, let's replace our journal. First, we need to open it flat. Move the pages to one side of the journal until you can see where the cardboard is inserted into the flap. The next thing you want to do is slide your page out. Now this is where I found that there sometimes is glue stuck on. So if you find it difficult to slide your page out, insert your ruler into the flap, slide it into the corners and down the outside edge of the journal. You might have to do this a few times to make sure that everything is loose. Once your flap and your cardboard page is loose enough, simply slide it out from the journal. This is the part where you need to be careful not to pull your journal and force it out, but slide it out gently so that nothing rips. Once one side is out, turn your pages to the other side. Repeat the process of loosening the flaps if you need to, and slide out the other side of your cardboard. Now you have removed your journal. Be careful not to stretch the flaps or the cover too much. You want to keep it as flat as possible. You want to keep the flaps as flat as possible when inserting and removing the pages. Stretching the flaps will make the cover fit more loosely on your journals. That's why it's important to have a flat tool like a ruler instead of putting your fingers into the flaps. To replace your refill, simply reverse the process. Take your new journal insert, find the cardboard portion, slide it into the flap, move your pages over, and slide it into the other flap. Now instead of pulling and twisting and ripping your journal, simply lift it up slightly and slide your page in. And you're done. You might want to move your journal around a little bit inside the cover, maybe open it and close it a couple of times to make sure that it's fit into place properly. Those are the basics of replacing your journal pages with a refill. Happy writing, everyone!